So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a countdown timer in Premiere. Now, in order to do it, just simply first of all go to Windows section over there and enable the effects panel. Now, under the effects panel, simply search for time code right there. Now, for example, if I search for a time code right there. Now just simply apply it to the let's say a blank layer over there. For example, uh, let's say if I create another adjustment layer and I apply it to that one. Now just right there. Now here you'll notice a time code will appear right there, and if you start it from the beginning, you'll notice that the time code is appearing right there. You can adjust it values just by going there, and here you can see you can set the values as per as you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.